Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to save Excel file to single file web page in Microsoft Excel. Then at first we have to open your Excel document. Then go to File menu and select Save or Save as. Select Save as and select your locations. Example, I select desktop and select your name, personal monthly budget on. Then Excel workbook, click and we can see single file web page. Then click single file web page, enter workbook title or change title, add tags, publish, save thumbnail, and we can see tools, web options, general options, compress picture, map network, drive, etc. Or save some feature in your workbook. We can see the single web page. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Thank you.